Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So I'm currently in a dilemma right now because I've been procrastinating on my computer science coursework for way too long now, and I actually have to get started on my computer science coursework. So where do we begin? Where do we begin? We'll find out now. Okay. So I've been using I'm not sure if I should call it a framework. What is it? I've been using something called Types. And what is type? It's a markup-based typesetting system. So it essentially you use like code, or like Markdown if you've ever heard of that, to programmatically create PDFs. Meaning you can't drag anything around with a cursor or anything. You literally just type, oh, I want to move this up 10 pixels, or I want to move this down, I want to center this like that, whatever. And that's what Types is used for. And it's so much more convenient than using my mouse and then trying to change the paragraph in the spacing between the headings or whatever. It sucks so much. So yeah, I'm gonna go get started on that. I'm currently on the design section. I've done the analysis, mostly anyway, and now I'm on the design section. I have so much to do. We should have done design, technical solution, and testing, but I haven't done any of that, so I'm pretty cooked, not gonna lie. So yeah, let's get started. I should put my phone somewhere. So I have around maybe around 2 hours maximum. I have around 2 hours before it's duhur, and then I have to stop before the next one. So yeah, let me open my computer science coursework. Computer science. Wait, it's on Types, so it's not even on the Google document anymore. I should probably design it too, though, not gonna lie. I hate designing things, I can't lie. Coding things is okay, but designing things is it sucks so much. Okay. It's okay. It is okay, guys. No, it's not okay. It's not okay. Okay, time to scroll all the way down to my design section. My NEA is mostly screenshots, I can't lie. It's a lot of screenshots. Okay, I have to create an IOPS chart. What is an IOPS chart? I forgot. What is an IOPS chart? Input, output, process, storage, diagram. Input, output, process, storage, I think. IOPS. Can't even remember, to be honest. But yeah, now that I'm being recorded and then everything I do is being published to the internet, I can't procrastinate anymore. My desire to procrastinate is very high right now. But it's okay. I'm trying to go to my Notion page that I made for computer science anyway. Let's see. Okay, I need to go to my log. Okay, I need to go to the example because I need to find out what an IOPS chart actually is. Okay, it's here. Input, output, process, storage. Oh. That's going to be really big. So what inputs do I have? Because looking at this one, there's like, you can create your own flashcards, you can create your own sets, you can input your play date, your profile data, your profile information. I guess you can't input that much, and then you can't output much either. So I guess this would be the best way. Yeah. And then I need to create a flowchart. That really sucks. Right. Input, output, process, storage. Okay, first I need to create a grid. That's the first thing I need to do. And they created 2 IOPS charts, I believe. They created some really nice diagrams. Wow. I'll show you guys the diagrams I'm looking at right now. That is awesome. There's that one, and then there's also this one. And that take a long time to create diagrams like that, bro. They've done some really nice images. I can't lie. Really nice. I think I should also take inspiration from what they've done. So I think this is a technical solution section. They've created images and they've pointed to, they've created like these labels to show that these values or these variables in the code correspond to these GUI components, which is actually a really smart thing to do, and I should probably do that. Okay. Then they have class overviews. Oh, navigation. That is very interesting. Okay. Wait, is this a testing section? I think it is. Yo, this is the testing section, bro. Oh, okay. That is the testing section. Oh, alright. Wait, it can't be. What? Most of their work is just testing. Damn. Okay. And that's all the code. Damn. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's really long. You can hear my excitement. Okay. Okay, so this is the original IOPS chart. Okay, let's go. An IOPS chart is an IOPS chart. Oh. Outlines what happens to the data in the new system at the most basic level. Wait. An IOPS chart outlines what happens to. Outlines. Identifies what. Outlines the flow of data. Is that even correct? Whatever, I'm gonna write that. Outlines the flow of data within a system from a high level perspective in terms of input, output, processing and storage. Okay, so now we need to create a grid using types. So how do we do that? I cannot remember, but I've already created a grid before. Okay, let's see. So you need to do hashtag grid and then columns, and then you can just put the content afterwards. Okay. Okay, I have created a grid. Okay, so non-existent grid at the moment. And then I need to put I want 2 columns and 2 rows because it's a grid of. Wait, isn't that a table then? What's the difference between a table and a grid? Grid versus table. I think table might be better, not gonna lie. Table. Okay. I'm using a table instead. And what do I want this to look like? So the way they've done it is input, output, process, storage, output. How do I center something? I have to create a text thing. Okay. Input. Output. Process. And then storage. Okay, and I want that to have 2 columns. Okay, that's good. Now I need to center those texts. So how do I center a text? I can't create a heading because otherwise I'll add it to the contents page. So I need to create text. Input. And I need to center this. How do I center that? Center text in types. Align. Align center. Wait, how? Wait, text types. Align with align. I don't think it says. What? Where is it? Unfortunately, there's no align function for text. So, I'm gonna have to do it manually. Yeah. Great. Center. Missing argument body. Input. That is so cool. Oh my days. That is so cool. That is so cool. Typist is actually amazing, guys. That is so cool. So, types is an example of like a declarative language where you tell it what you want it to do. For example, Flutter is also a declarative language, meaning it's not functional, so you don't create functions. You just, like, if you want something to be in the center, you just write align center or whatever, and then you just tell it what you want it to do. Input, output, process, and storage. Was it processes? I can't remember. Process and storage. Okay. So now I have that, and now I need a list. I forgot how to create a list, guys. So I just put bullet points like that. Item 1. Okay, that works. I need to add more spacing to this. Oh well, I can sort that out later. Okay, so I need to identify the input, output, process, and storage. And what better way to do that than to ask ChatGPT? Right. Let's go. So I'm gonna get my NEA again. I'm gonna give it my databases, or like what was it called? The database schema, or like the SQL queries that I use to create my databases. And then I'm going to ask it to create input, output, whatever. Okay. I just deleted that. Dude, if it's really it's gonna take like half an hour just to create this table. This is actually pathetic. I need to speed up because I do not have that much time. I do not have enough time to be doing this, okay? Maybe this is not a very fun vlog to listen to. But it's true. I do not have enough time to spend half an hour just creating a random table. That doesn't even look good. Input, output, process. Input, process, storage, output, okay. Data dictionary table. Okay. Create an input, output, process, storage from the information above. And then I'm also going to add my own stuff because the SQL database doesn't actually include everything I want it to include, I think. So for input, I've user data, questions, sets and collections, tags and ratings, links and tokens, and resources. if I number this, okay. Confused. I don't think they did it correctly. Okay, so for storage they did, ChatGPT did it on. For storage, you need to give examples of things that what did I put for storage? I put Firebase database, MySQL database. And that's not wrong. So what did they put here? They put question database or list, class database or list. Ah, okay. Okay. Right. Okay, table. User data, is it? And then I want user ID. But I want this in code form. User ID, and I'm just gonna copy paste that, see how that looks. Does that look nice? Not really. How can I make that look nice? Maybe if I put double. That looks even worse. Why does that look worse? What is going on? I'm so confused. Why does that actually look worse? I'm not sure how I'm supposed to write this. I'm not sure. So, it's not very helpful when you can't see what I'm doing, to be honest. But so I currently have all of this information, and I want to put it here. But like that just looks horrible, and because everything is separated into like subheadings, and I want to separate them so it's easier to like understand. But that just looks terrible. I should probably use bullet points. That's probably the way to go. And then it'll be quite a long input output processor storage chart. But oh well, at least it'll default my anyway. Okay, let's do that then. Really so confusing. Okay, maybe I won't put numbers there. Let's see what happens now. That's really confusing. Oh well, that will have to make do. Make that bold. Also make that bold. I want that to be bigger though, to be honest. So maybe I do something like this. And then size. I want to add vertical padding too. How do I do that? I forgot. Wait, can I? Wait, text padding. I want to add it to the table. Insets. 10 pixels. 10 points. Right? Okay, that worked. Okay, that works. Right, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. That looks a lot better. Username, email. So these are the things that the user is going to be inputting into my system. User ID. No, they won't. They won't be inputting that. So I don't need to put that, right? Input. They're not going to put user ID. They'll put username, email, profile picture. What else will they put? I don't think anything else, to be honest. Email, password, username, email. Oh yeah, password. Forgot that. I think that's it. Okay, so that's that, and then after user data is few days questions. So for questions is question, ID, author, type, style, and then content for the question. Okay, now I'm gonna copy paste this into ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna tell it to convert what it has given me, if it even. Okay, convert the information above into this format. ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا ونصلي ونسلم على محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن ChatGPT did not do that correctly. You did not do this correctly. And the numbers should be for the subheadings and reset for every stage of the. Also put the fields on separate bullet points and not, Let's see if you can do it correctly this time. Otherwise I'll have to do it manually. So I didn't bring that much food to last me an entire day. So I'm not sure. Oh, I think ChatGPT did it correctly. No way. It actually did. Wait, let's see if I can copy paste this though. I probably cannot. Nope, I cannot. Okay. Give it in code format where the so I can easily copy paste it, and also use the format instead of one. That's awesome, man. And I slept 8 hours today. Why am I tired? No, it's not working anymore. It's not working anymore. The bullet points shouldn't have numbers. Just the... I think I might have finished it by now, if I had to do this myself. I mean, it's done most of the work for me already. Not going to lie. Okay, if I want to do column selection mode, there's no shortcut for that, okay? It did it all correctly. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alright. Time to copy paste this. Okay. This is a lot of time I just saved. Not going to lie. Okay. Make that bold. Okay, that is for inputs. Now I need to do outputs. Oh, where's output? Output's there. نحمده ونستعينه ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا ونصلي ونسلم على محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه إلى يوم الدين. يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي. I don't know how we would survive without ChatGPT, to be honest. I do not know. Okay, now I've done that, now I'm on process, right?
إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى ونيسرك لليسرى فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى سيذكر من يخشى ويتجنبها الأشقى الذي يصلى النار الكبرى ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا والآخرة خير وأبقى إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى صحف إبراهيم وموسى إن الحمد لله تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. Okay, I'm going to go through each surah in order, starting from the end of Juz An-Nas. The last one is An-Nas. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. Did I say that correctly? فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا. Now, I actually don't know what that means. An-Nasr is the divine support. When Allah's ultimate help comes and victory over Mecca is achieved, and you, Prophet, see the people embracing Allah's way in crowds, then glorify the praises of your Lord and seek His forgiveness for certainty. For certainly He is ever accepting of repentance. Also, I forgot the basmala when I was reciting those, so let's start again then. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. So that's a heavy ha then. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. Let's see if I can remember the meaning of Qul Huwallahu Ahad, al-Ikhlas, from the top of my head. So, say He's Allah, say He's Allah, the one and only, say He is Allah alone, something like that. Qul Huwallahu Ahad, Allahu Samad. And there is none like Him. I think this is completely wrong. Walam yalid walam yulad. He neither begets nor is begotten. Completely forgot. So, Prophet, He is Allah, one and indivisible. He is the one and only. Yeah? The sustainer needed by all. Okay, I did not know that. Somed. Which one is the sustainer? The eternal, the absolute. Somed, the eternal. Allah, the sustainer needed by all. He's never had offspring, nor is he born. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ, and there is none comparable to Him. Okay. I'm revising Quran while doing my computer science coursework. That's crazy. That is actually crazy. Unclosed delimiter. Where? Actually, though, where's the unclosed delimiter? Oh, I see. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. قل هو الله أحد. Says Allah, the one and only. Allah. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد. Samad is the eternal. Say Allah Samad. Allah is the sustainer. Something like that, right? Allah the sustainer, needed by all. Allah is the sustainer. Allahu Samad. Allah the sustainer. He sustains everything. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He neither has offspring nor was he born. Wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad, and there is none comparable to him. Alright, next surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته همالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. Okay, so I've put everything down, but I'm not sure if it actually looks good or not. Okay, let's see. So input, dude, it's taking so. Okay, here's the input output chart. It's not very. Okay, I'm just checking everything now. It looks alright. So I've done the IOPS chart. That took me so long. That took me more than half an hour. Okay, so now I've done the IOPS chart. Now I need to do a system flow chart. That sucks. Oh, I hate flow charts, man. Oh man. Okay, let me build upon the IOPS chart. Designing this input, output, process and storage chart will allow me to give me a better overview of how I need to design my web pages databases database tables as well as inform I'll type something else as well as my progress project. Okay. Alright. So I've done that. Now I need to do a system flowchart. Okay. But I can't, my system is too big, so I can't do a. Let's see how they do it. I can't do a system flowchart when. So I've already created a flowchart. Let's see if I use eraser.io or draw.io. Let's see which one's better. Okay, I'm gonna save it to, where should I save it? I'm gonna save it to, oh, I can't even change storage to Google Drive. Authorize. Okay. Create new diagram. Wait, no, I want to copy a new diagram. Open existing diagram. Google Drive. My back is so warm, I don't know why. NEA dot what? Okay. Select. Okay, let's see eraser.io. Dude, I'm so hungry, but I don't have enough food. I can't eat now. I can drink though. Okay, let's see existing flowcharts on eraser.io. Now, I was very sad to find out that my computer science teacher. Wait. I don't even think I created it on draw.io. I created these on eraser.io. Okay. Well, I created the sitemap on eraser.io. But I'm not sure if I should also create my flowchart. I just need to find flowchart though. I need to log into this. Why is this taking so long? Okay, flowchart. No results found, bro, please. Wait, I've reached the end of my free trial. That's crazy, bro. That's absolutely insane. Firstly, I'm gonna delete that. Delete it, please. Okay, technical design dot. User data model. Untitled file. Do I need an untitled file? It's literally empty. Okay, I need to find template. Where's templates? Diagram catalog. Dude, why is it log me out when I do that? What is this, bro? Okay, flow chart. Data flow diagram. Decision tree flow. I just want a normal flow chart. Okay, that's a normal flow chart. It looks like it anyway. I should have brought more food, not gonna lie. Okay. Okay. So I need to have a start. And the star needs to be the correct shape. Does it even have all the shapes here? Oh my... It literally uses... Oh my goodness. it uses code. I mean, that's good, I guess. But like, I think draw.io will be better for flowcharts, not gonna lie. Not going to lie. Okay, time to create another flowchart in draw.io. Let's go. Also, draw.io is free, which is good for me, so. Okay, I want to make a copy. Alright, make a copy. What should I call it? I should call it System Flowcharts. Sure. Download. Wait, now open any new window. Saving. I just saved it to my Google Drive. I'm wasting so much time here. What am I doing? What am I actually doing? What am I actually doing? And I need to create another sitemap. Oh yeah, I need to create a sitemap for my own site. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I slept 8 hours today, but I feel like I didn't sleep at all. Maybe I haven't eaten enough. Oh, but I don't want to. I can't eat the only sandwich I have already because I'm gonna be here for a long time. Maybe I'll leave. I'll leave after Maghrib then. I leave after Maghrib because honestly, this is. I'll eat this then. Can I stay here till Isha? I don't know. I probably. No. You can tell I'm a lot happier now. Because I've eaten. Food makes me a lot happier. Okay, so we want that. And we also want this. And we want a process. And then I think that's all we need. Because that's everything we have. Then we also have a decision. Okay. Okay. So let's look at my own site for the moment. When people immediately go to, there's 3 different places that they can go to there. Okay, so when they land on my website, they'll check the database. Well, the program will check the database to see if they're authenticated. Check if user is authenticated. Is that the correct? No, I need the database symbol. I used the incorrect symbol, bro. Okay, where do I get a database symbol? advanced. Wait, no, maybe if I go to entity relation. No. UML advanced. Let's see if I advanced. None of these are. I just want a database symbol. I'm gonna have to use that, I think. Oh well. Okay, that'll have to make do. Check if user is authenticated. And then what font are we using? We're using Comforter, right? Would I change the font of this? I don't know. If I go full screen, why can't I change the font of this? What is going on? Why is it so... Style? No. Paper size. Why is this so complicated to use? I don't understand. Okay, first I'm gonna make it dark mode, because I made everything dark mode, and then it crashed everything. Okay, dark mode is not good. It is not good. I just want to change. Okay, there we go. We can change the font now. Where's the font? Font is Comforter, and it's 12 pixels. Okay, Comforter. Okay, now I need to change the background color. What can I change the background color to? I can make it really dark. I can make the fill very, very dark. Even darker than it currently is. Like that. And then make the text white. Why is there an arrow there? Okay, that's not even fully white. I need to make that like proper white. Okay, cool. So first, you want to check if the user is authenticated. Now, if they are authenticated, just connect the arrow to this, please. Okay, thank you. Okay. Now, if the user is authenticated, then we want to redirect them. Oh, it's nice and bright here now. Look, I'll show you. Yeah, it's nice and beautiful now. It's getting even more bright now. So, if the user is authenticated, which box do I even use? I want to redirect them to a different website. I forgot which symbol I need to use. So for my previous flowchart, I used which symbol? Let's see. Great. My PDF is lagging. That really helps. I just love it when my PDF lags. Okay, here's the PDF. So I use a process. Okay. So we want to redirect to. So the white text is really strange. This should be black text, shouldn't it? So cancel. Yeah, this really should be black text. Yeah. Now I was just wondering, guys, because I'll show you now. It looks so strange. What the? Look, I'm not sure if you can see, but look, this is the font color I was previously using, and this is black. Why was I using white if black looks so much better? Not sure. I am not very sure. Yeah, that's a nice angle. Look. Okay, that looks pretty cool. I should take a picture. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Okay, so I want, if the user is authenticated, I'll redirect them to okay. If the user is authenticated, I'll redirect them to the home page. What is the home page though? I don't know. Flash login home? Okay, if I log in, it'll bring me /home, yeah. Okay. Redirect to flashy.uk/home. Otherwise, redirect to, otherwise no, check the database again. Checks the database again. This is not even centered, guys. Okay, center it now. Okay, redirect to flashy.uk/home. Otherwise, check the database again. Or you can have a decision. The decision is, or you just have an arrow with a decision. Oh. So you either redirect to flashy.uk/home, or you redirect to flashy.uk/login, or you redirect to flashy.uk/signup. Okay. Okay, that sounds good. Okay. So depending on their auth state, then they have all of these different paths. Okay. My battery is on 21%. I need to charge that soon. I think it can last another half an hour. Okay, so I need to put login states, right? So check if user is authenticated. Wait, no. Just check auth state. Check authentication state. Okay, so this is when the user is logged in. User is logged in. Then you want to redirect them to the home page. Okay, and then if the user, wait, expired auth token, wait, or is it, yeah, expired auth token, wait, no, just say valid auth token, if the, okay, Otherwise, invalid or expired. Sorry, expired auth token. Why is this creating another? Dude, what is going on? Okay, expired auth token. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, otherwise, the no auth token found. No auth token. Okay, if no auth token is found, that means it's neither expired, which means they haven't created an account yet. Alright. But they can always redirect from there to the login page. And then it can always go to the home page. So that is an awesome flowchart, man. Thank you, Alex. Guys, look at what I've done already. It's very simple, but like, that is awesome. Okay, it's like a cyclical structure right there. Anyways, so once they're on the home page, what can they do? Because we need to create a system flowchart. When they're on the home page, they can do several things. They can, wait, let me look at the existing flowchart that they have. Is the document finished? Yes. Add to current document, select question. Okay. They have a choice of pages that they can visit. Okay. Cool. So, when they're here, they can either visit creations, rankings, settings, or log out. If they log out, then they go back to flashy.uk. So, when they're on the home page, I need to add an arrow to flashy.uk. And label that logout. Okay. Just add as many arrows as possible, and then it'll look like a nice flowchart, okay? So from the home page, they can either go to 3 places. What can I call that? Navigation. Navbar. Okay, go to the navbar, and then from the navbar, redirect to flashy.uk/creations. Wait, they can either go to the navbar, or they can create something. Or, no, or they have multiple options actually. They can either go to the navbar, so okay, they can either go to the navbar, they can create something. They can create something. Wait, no, wait. they can create a question. No, you have to create a set or a collection. Or maybe you can only create something. But you can't create a question without a collection or a set, surely. That's confusing. Okay, create a question, set or collection. Set or collection. Or they can browse existing. Browse existing questions. Wait, but no. Browse existing sets and collections. Okay, that goes there. Then we also want another arrow that goes here. And then line that up with this one. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, from the navbar they can do three things. Let me see what I did in my previous push up. Why did I make new decisions? That's so strange. Okay, so oh, I should make that into a database thing. Because to create a question set or collection, you need a database. You need a database for everything. I don't know what type of. Select a question. Create a question. Publish online. Store on account. I'll just add another database, whatever. Add lots of database symbols, yeah, why not? Create a question, set, or collection. I can make it simple. Store, publish. Store on user's account. Oh, I'm very confused about all of this. Yeah, I could do that. And then, when you browse existing sets and collections, you want to fetch. Set or fetch questions and sets from fetch questions from the database. Okay. So with the navbar, you can go to three things. You can go to the creations page. Okay. I should add that here. With the navbar, you can redirect to flashy.uk/creations, or you can redirect to flashy.uk/rankings, or you can redirect to flashy.uk settings. Okay. I'm not sure how to do this actually, but I know we need an arrow pointing like this. Oh, this is disgusting. Ooh, okay, that's good. That's good. That is good. Right. Now I need another arrow like this. I don't know why it does it like that. Then it also needs to like that. Nice. Okay, this is coming together, guys. It's coming together. And not so long ago, I was complaining about making a flowchart. It's actually fun. Okay, so this is what I currently have. So on the homepage, well, fleshy.uk, check the database, check if you're auth, and then you go whatever, the pages. And then once you create a set or whatever, you can choose whether to publish it or not. Maybe I don't need the database to be that complicated. Let's see why theirs is so complicated. Oh, they just export file and print save file. It's easy to make it complicated, but yeah, it's so hard to. So once you fetch the questions and sets, the homepage doesn't have enough sides for me to add another loop, because after you complete a question or whatever, you'll go back to the homepage, or you can do anyway. That's a complicated thing. That's strange. This MASJID is so clean, by the way. Oh, my back. Oh, my bad. Right, yeah, so after you fetch a question and set, you actually need to complete the question and set. Okay, delete that. I'm gonna add another decision. Make public. Okay. Okay, now I have that. So once you fetch the question and set, you want to complete the questions. Complete the questions. And then after you complete the questions, you want to have a summary. What is it? Completion summary. XP gained. New ranking, etc. And after the summary, redirect it to new question. No, after you complete the summary, you want to loop back to browse existing sets and collections. So then we have a loop here. You know, this flowchart is really useful. If only I did it before I actually coded everything. Then it would have been a lot easier. Okay, so I have a pretty nice flowchart already. So once I create the question set or collection and I store it on the user's account, then what do I want to do? Or when I go to creations and rankings, okay, when I go to creations, okay, I need to add another database. We love databases, guys. Oh, when people fetch questions in sets, they can also rate the set. And they also need to update the database. Okay, complete the questions. I need to remove that. Ooh. This is long, man. Alright, so after you complete the questions, you can rate the set or collection. Update. Or log completed questions, time taken, mistakes. Okay. That's a big fat database that is. Okay. Okay, and then I need a completion summary. Okay. I want an arrow coming from the bottom, guys. Okay. Thank you. And then this needs to loop back here. This needs to go here. No. Okay, and then extend it out a little bit more. Alright, that looks better than before. Okay, so when I redirect to flashy.uk/creations, we want to fetch users, sets, and questions too. Questions, sets, and collections. Okay. And then once we do that, they can do whatever. They can complete them too. Okay, so I'll have that here. There's already so many loops here, man. Okay, if they go to flashy.uk/rankings, then we need to fetch all the user data. Fetch user data, so XP, level, questions completed, etc. And then I'll add another feel motivated, another process. Feel user feels motivated. Okay. It's nearly time for Duhur, guys. Okay, fetch user data. Right, I need to make that separate. Oh, wait, no, that goes to rankings. What am I on about? How do I can't add an arrow all the way there. Oh well, I'll just add an end. End. My battery's on 10%. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna finish this flowchart. I'm gonna export it and then my battery's on 9%, dude. Completion. That's pretty cool, guys. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. That's so cool. I'm very happy with what I've created. Alhamdulillah. I mean, I spent all this time creating a very simple flowchart, but I mean, it's better than procrastinating, so alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. I think I did it wrong, guys. Flowchart symbols. Input output. Complete the questions should be input output. So I need to change that, guys. I need to change. Oh my goodness. Complete the questions. Okay, add that here. So I'm probably gonna have to end this video before I actually finish working, but unless there's a power outlet here. One behind me, no. One next to me, no. Oh, I have one here. Okay, guys. it's all good, don't worry. Don't worry. You will be safe. Okay. You're back. Oh. Hello again. So after they've completed the questions, you can do that. Connect that in here, like this. Very nice. Okay, anything else I can change to an input-output? No, I don't think I can. Wait, rate the selection. That's an input-output, isn't it? Yeah, that is. Input-output, guys. No, I deleted the wrong thing. What? If I press F, it creates a circle. If I press S, that creates a post-it note. If I press Q, nothing. C, that creates an arrow. That's so cool. I didn't know these shortcuts, right? Rate a set or collection. Right, awesome. We changed those into input outputs. And now what else can we do? That's pretty much it, to be honest. Well, we could also add something else from the home page. Which is to download the questions. So export questions, sets and collections. Right, that's something I can do. Alright, awesome, that looks sick. Alright, I need to export this. That looks so cool. I'm happy that I don't have to do that again now. So that's a very beautiful flowchart, guys. I wish I could show you. Right. I'm gonna see if I can add text now. No, I think there's enough, to be honest. Click create button, I can do that. I think people are going to start coming to the masjid now. And then I'll actually have to stop the video. Okay, I've added more. Add more text. Alright. Now I need to export this somehow. Maybe taking a screenshot would probably be the best idea on it. Open export as PNG. Okay, let's see if I can do that, guys. Export as PNG. Wait, I should probably export it as an SVG. SVG would be better. I can't crop an SVG though. Well, I want to change the size of the page then. Can I do that? A4, edit data, portrait landscape. Whatever. Let's just leave it as it is. If I export it as an SVG, let's see what that looks like. Export as a zoom 100%, size diagram, yeah, okay, transparent background, appearance light, include a copy of embed image, okay. Okay, and I'll call it system flowchart.svg. Save it to my device. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Oh my goodness. It looks so good, guys. There is my flowchart as an SVG. It looks amazing. Time to put it into my NEA and call it a day, guys. Call it a day. Well, half a day. It's only been 1 hour and 43 minutes. All I did was create an input-output process storage chart and this flowchart. What am I actually doing? This takes too long, man. Too long. Alright. I need to import that somehow. I don't even know if I can put SVG into my project, to be honest. Well, firstly, can I put SVG into my project? I want to know. Firstly, I need to put it into images. What should I call it? Wait, what is this? Interesting. Anyways, what should I call it? I should call it system flowchart. Yeah, that's fine, whatever. And then put it in images. Okay, nice. Okay, now it's in here. I need to create another figure. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Alright, I need to find where I put the actual other flowchart, and then I can just copy how I did that. Guys, why so many images? Okay, here's my flowchart. Okay, here, that's what I did. Width 100%. Interesting. Flowchart. I used a flowchart to model the journey. Oh, okay. So I need to describe what a system flowchart symbols. I also use database. Okay. Let's go all the way down then. System flowchart. A figure, what should I call it? System flowchart. .svg. Image contains foreign object. SVG images might render incorrectly. It rendered correctly. That's beautiful. Nice. That's really good. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with that. I am really, really happy with that. Okay, let's see if I can add text. Okay, I'm gonna call it flowchart for my project, my intended system, let's say. Okay, and then I need to explain this to to make it easier to what is it?
Someone has entered masjid now, so assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'll see you in the next clip. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Isha adhan is literally going off right now. I had like 3 hours between Maghrib and Isha, and I kind of procrastinated, not gonna lie. I spent the first hour working on like replying to messages and working on like social media stuff, and then I spent like half an hour just writing this, and it says Allah does not burn in a soul. Beyond that it can bear, and it's Surah 286 from Al-Baqarah. And then I actually made some sort of progress on my computer science coursework. I managed to get the sign map done. So throughout all of today, I managed to do the input-output process storage chart. I managed to do the system flow chart. I managed to do the site map, and then I just managed to do part of the user experience section. So I did a little bit. But it's very fun, and now that I'm actually into it, I'm gonna get so much more done, inshallah, over the next few days. So now I need to make wudu and then get ready for Isha, and then yeah, it's gonna be awesome. See you in the next video. Jazakallah khair for staying and watching. Assalamu alaikum.